Hi everyone, my name is Angel Carranza and I live in San Pedro Sula and I work in Institute International of Languages, in English. Right now I am your English teacher, in this week I'm gonna give you two awesome lessons about two topics. So if you need it, okay. The first topic it's about the object pronouns. Object pronouns. What is the object pronouns? You need to know them because it's a list of a little things that you have to know. Object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, you again, but plural, and then, I'm gonna give you some example using these object pronouns. This example can be easy with easy sentences. Okay, the first example can be for me, I like the pizza. For me, I like the pizza. The first, what? Yeah. The second example can be do you like her with this dress? Do you like her with this dress? Or only do you like her? Do you like her? And I'm gonna say you about a girl, about a woman, young woman, old woman, I don't know, but female. You know what I mean? So, her. Another object pronouns is it, only it. Okay, an example could be do you like it or not? I'm gonna give you little large sentences. Okay, go ahead. When you go to the supermarket, you always see the different vegetable on the table. Do you like it or not? You know what I mean? So, do you like it? It's meaning the vegetable or fruits or I don't know, whatever do you want. It's a things, right? Another object pronouns is about us. Listen careful. Us. Example could be would you like to buy a hamburger with us? Listen, would you like to buy a hamburger with us? Us is plural. Can be Maria, Loisa, Daniel, Carranza, and us. Do you know? For this lesson, it's everything. It's so easy. It's very easy. So only you need to study it. Maybe 1 hour for days, and I don't know, twice a week. But you have to know these object pronouns, okay? Why? These are grammatical rules of English. You have to know that. The second topic for this lesson in this week is about giving direction, and maybe you are thinking, what is that? Well, giving direction. What is it? What is it? Well, giving direction. You can help you about acts or get a place. Maybe I get. Well, for me, when I went to the church, different church in my neighborhood, really, I didn't know where is this place, and I have to ask a person. So this is a give it direction. This is a give it direction. You can be lost in the city. You can be lost in your neighborhood. I don't know. The give it direction and help you that you do not. Okay, right? Well, the give it direction. There are a lot, but the most important for me, but by experience, and some are to right, to left, to along, cross, near, next to, between, behind, opposite, and in front of. There are the mods giving direction. There are exits. Well, can be make sentences for explanation this lesson right now. Well, maybe a person, maybe a friend, maybe your boyfriend, maybe your girlfriend, your mom, daddy, I don't know, whatever. Maybe this person asks you about a place. Now, where's the library? Angel, where is the library? In me? Well, the library is near of the theater. It's near of the theater. Can be other giving direction is the library is in front of the bank. The library is in front of the bank, right? And opposite the church, for example. You know what I mean? Well, these are the two lessons that you need for maybe you can speak like a native speaker right now, but this lesson is gonna help you to improve your vocabulary, improve your listening and speaking. You have to practice every day. You have to practice whatever with your friends in the university, in your job. I don't know. So I just give you two lessons. Remember, the first lesson was, remember? I am joking. Okay. The first lesson was, remember, the object pronouns. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, you, but plural, and us. Remember, thus, would you like to buy the pizza with us? Remember us. And then can be Luisa, Jose, Maria, Nieves, but me, no, only then, okay? Only then. In the second lesson was giving direction. Giving direction. Remember, the library is here. The library is next to the bank. Maybe. The library is between in the church and fire station. Remember, between, okay? Library is between in the bank, in the fire station. If it's, for example, the example is so easy, but you have to practice with different data, with different YouTube channels on internet. That's gonna help you with you can speak English, maybe better than me. Bye.